I was a stuffed animal kid. I like stuffed animals a lot.
Loch's holding on to a stuffed bear. Finn's over here. We're about to go out for a little walk. Big rock.
Yeah, we're gonna cover a couple miles. They're not. They're gonna sit in a seat.
Look at that.
And ride.
Oh my god.
Oh, are we still in video?
Oh my god. How are you gonna hold on to that and have your arms locked up, Loch?
We'll put it back in there.
What do you think?
All right, we'll get you back. We'll put it all together. Yeah, we want the bear on top of the buckles, though. So we're going to pull him out for a second. There will be no reason you can't hold on to the bear after this is done. All right, arms out.
Time for bear.
Not yet. Gotta tighten up the car seat first. All right, now time for bear. The bear loves you. Yeah, here you go. There you go. You want kissed?